top 10. We going for we were top 10 dead or alive. I swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
Today we're finally getting the steering wheel on the BMW fixed up. I don't know what happened to it, but when I first got the car, the steering wheel was good, and now it's starting to like peel off. This is suede, right?
Yeah, it's genuine suede.
You can even see going back and forth how it changes. That's the only way I can really show you how it looks or how it feels in person. You can't really feel it, but obviously. So this is what it looks like before, guys. He kind of cleaned it up already, but you can see the top is just absolutely destroyed. It looks like someone chewed on it. So I'm gonna get this fixed up today. This is what the new steering wheel looks like so far. Thank you. It's the guy right here, man. Thank you. Right, appreciate it, man. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look, bro. I think that shit's gonna look crazy. There's always the little things that change so much in the car. He's supposed to do this, and I'm supposed to get the car tinted either this week or next week also. So little mods. We're headed in the right direction. Can't do everything at once, but I need tints bad, bro. At every single red light, everyone just be looking at me. I can't do that. I'm about to show y'all the steering wheel that they did on the Civic a while back. It's been like probably 3 or 4 years. About to show y'all real quick. The job that they did with the Civic, and that shit is still busting, bro. Steering wheel look like brand new still. Stitching perfect. Yeah, so the BMW steering wheel gonna be a little bit better than this one, but cannot complain, bro. Great quality in their work. That's why we brought him back. It's been like 10 minutes and he's already almost started the section up. Oh man, working.
Tree time.
Together. It's looking nice, bro. I love that material, bro. The material looks so nice. It feels crazy, guys. It feels so soft and plush. Bro, this feels crazy. Hold on. Damn, guys. Huge shout out to RL Covers, man. Oh, this feels insane, bro. What the hell? Brand new steering wheel, bro. This looks crazy. As you can see, this is their suede option. They have leather too, carbon fiber. Suede, leather, carbon fiber.
And then if you want to mix materials, fiber with leather, carbon fiber with suede, or then suede with leather.
They also have a website up right now. They just launched it. The website is rlcovers.com. They just launched their website, guys. Go support them. They do great work. They come to you, they order the cover, and they do their magic, bro. This looks crazy. Like, you can see through the camera. That's how I can really show you guys how it feels, but that's the only way.
It's going to be very different to drive that one.
Thank you, man. Thank you. You're the guy,
you.
bro. Thank you so much also. Appreciate you guys, man. Like I said, they come to you, man. They make it easy. Drive pretty much all of Central Florida.
Clearwater to the tip.
So it is now. It's now the next week. I just wanted to show y'all how everything looks, how the car's sitting right now. It's sitting. It still look beat the up. A couple changes that we did in this video. We got the new tint. As you can see, it's pretty dark. I went with 30 in the front, 5 all around. So yeah, that shit. So yeah, that shit dark for sure, man. This is usually how I like to tint my cars. I like my privacy. But yeah, man, too many people looking at my car, bro. I don't like that shit. We went with 5 all around, 30 on the front, and I think it looked perfect, bro, to be honest. I don't think it get much better than this. Anything lower than 30 and it start interfering with your driving at night, bro. And that's something I really didn't want on the daily driver, so. And as y'all can see, steering wheel, brother. My God. I mean, the craftsmanship is something different, bro. The stitching looked like my grandma did that shit, bro. Shit perfect, man. As you can see, the material. Shit is tough, bro. And when I'm driving the car now, the steering wheel feel a lot thicker, bro. Like, it feel good in your hands, pause. It feel more like an M steering wheel, if you know what I mean, because the M steering wheels are a lot thicker than the base model steering wheels. Even though this is a base model steering wheel, now that we got the wrap, we got the steering wheel cover on top of the steering wheel, it makes it a lot thicker than the regular base. So feels very good, bro. Definitely adds some weight to it. It feels nice, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I think this is something you should definitely invest in. That'll make a difference to your everyday driving experience. If you want to get with them, I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description. RL Covers, they go anywhere from Orlando, Claremont to Daytona, man. All of Central Florida. You can't get much better than this, bro. Like, you just can't. Just look at the details and the stitching, bro. The work speak for itself, fam. The work really speak for itself, so. But yeah, man, it's gonna be the end of the video. I know it's a little short. I'm really in a rush to edit this, I'm not gonna lie, because I gotta go to Colombia tomorrow. I'm probably gonna be filming that also. I wanna bring y'all along, share the experience, man. I ain't never been to Colombia. It's gonna be my first time, so should be lit, man. Next thing on the list for the car is probably to lower it. We're gonna see after I come back from Colombia how everything looking, how my finances looking. I made a promise to myself that this year I was gonna travel a lot, so that's why y'all seeing a lot less car content. But yeah, man, I'll be back soon, y'all. What they say? Vámonos, Colombia.
Watch me step inside and make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion. They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. Gotta drop a couple for them maggots. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic.